Emotional Intelligence 2.0 by Travis Bradberry and Jean Greaves is a practical guide designed to help readers enhance their emotional intelligence (EQ) and apply it to personal and professional success. The book outlines the concept of emotional intelligence, explains its importance, and provides actionable strategies to improve it. Core concepts. Definition of emotional intelligence. Emotional intelligence is the ability to recognize, understand, and manage our own emotions, as well as recognize, understand, and influence the emotions of others. It is divided into four core skills: self-awareness, understanding your own emotions; self-management, managing your own emotions and behaviors; social awareness, recognizing and understanding the emotions of others; relationship management, managing interactions successfully. Importance of emotional intelligence. The authors argue that EQ is a critical factor in personal and professional success. Unlike IQ, which is largely static, EQ can be developed and improved over time. High EQ contributes to better decision-making, improved relationships, and enhanced leadership abilities. Key lessons. Self-awareness. Strategy. Keep a journal to track your emotions throughout the day. This practice helps you become more aware of your emotional triggers and patterns. Benefit. Enhanced self-awareness allows you to understand your strengths and weaknesses, leading to better self-control and decision-making. Self-management. Strategy. Practice mindfulness and stress management techniques to keep emotions in check, especially in challenging situations. Benefit. Effective self-management helps you remain calm and composed, allowing you to respond thoughtfully rather than react impulsively. Social awareness. Strategy. Improve your listening skills by focusing entirely on the speaker and observing nonverbal cues. Empathy is a crucial component of social awareness. Benefit. Higher social awareness improves your ability to understand and connect with others, fostering better teamwork and collaboration. Relationship management. Strategy. Work on clear and effective communication, conflict resolution, and building trust with others. Benefit. Strong relationship management skills lead to more productive and positive interactions, enhancing both personal and professional relationships. Practical applications. EQ assessment. The book includes access to an online EQ assessment tool that helps readers identify their current level of emotional intelligence. This baseline measurement is crucial for tracking progress and targeting areas for improvement. Action plans. Bradberry and Greaves provide specific action plans for each of the four EQ skills. These plans include exercises and strategies that readers can implement in their daily lives to boost their emotional intelligence. Daily practices. Readers are encouraged to incorporate daily practices such as mindfulness meditation, active listening, and reflective journaling to continually enhance their EQ. Benefits. Improved personal relationships. By developing emotional intelligence, individuals can build stronger, more empathetic relationships. This leads to better communication, reduced conflicts, and deeper connections with others. Enhanced professional success. High EQ is linked to improved leadership abilities, better teamwork, and increased workplace productivity. Professionals with strong emotional intelligence are often more effective in managing teams and navigating organizational challenges. Better mental health. Improved emotional intelligence contributes to better stress management, emotional regulation, and overall mental well-being. Individuals with high EQ are generally more resilient and adaptable in the face of adversity. Conclusion. Through clear explanations, practical strategies, and actionable advice, the book empowers readers to develop their emotional intelligence skills and apply them effectively in various aspects of life.